Hello, this is Tom again, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit how budgies, or aka parakeets, mate. If you could hear Frodo chirping, that's kind of how the males out in the wild get the females' attention when it's time to mate during the mating season. Basically, they choose the females get to choose the male who mates with her. Basically, she does this by having if there's 2 or 3 males who want to mate with her, she'll have the males do a sort of a singing, serenading type thing. Hey, behave yourselves type thing, using the sounds the female likes to use, and whichever male the female thinks is doing the best is the one she mates with. Basically, the hole the eggs and sperm come out of is called the cloaca, which is also the hole they use to go to the bathroom with. After the female lays the eggs, which is usually like 2 to 4 or 5 eggs a clutch or group, it takes 16 to 18 days for the eggs to hatch, then another 6 to 8 weeks for the chicks to be mature enough to leave the nest and start their own families. And they're considered adults by the end of the first year after they hatch, when they get their first adult feathery molt, in which they're already sexually mature and whatever else it takes for them to be able to mate. That's about it. Over and out. Bye.